Give you my heart.
Ooh, wait, that's better. I went upside down, around and round. I need to get some ketchup back. So, how are you there, YouTube? Today we have pancakes, bacon, eggs. Yes, this is my second time started over because it was wrong, and then my 2-year-old, go sit over there. No, 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 no. So, oh my goodness, please stay away from the cords. It's like I want to go get, stop it. Gosh.
Look at my roll.
She messing with my, whatever, tripod. Plus it's not. Sticking to this table there, I want to. Cheers. She went to go get you some straw, okay? Excuse me. You want a straw? She want to go get you a straw so you can drink it, okay? Because we don't have any more. You used them all. I want to bite of my homemade pancake. Some eggs. Try my best to make sure they get into the syrup. I hate my eggs and syrup. I like when it's kind of melts in your mouth. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. No. No. Don't touch that. My husband made this playhouse over here. He also made my playhouse outside. I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't got a whole bunch to talk about right now. But my home real quick. I'm trying to find something to do. I need some motivation. Because I don't want to sit around and eat. And then about time the summertime this here just be. I already feel like, well, I already am. I know. If I never lose some weight. Cycle up. You're bored. So tomorrow is Easter. What are you guys gonna do? I think I'm going to throw on some gospel music. I'm trying to think, you guys, because I'm not particularly sure if my church is doing like an online service or not, because I haven't seen nothing online lately. So we'll see. We'll see. Y'all want my bite of bacon? Hope y'all like y'all's crispy. Look how crispy that is. To the point where it's like crumbling. Oh, can you see my food there? I know it's about time for me to take these braids out of my head, but I don't want to. Excuse me, because I don't want to deal with what's under here, you guys. Don't want to deal with it. Don't want to deal with it. Whoa, baby. My baby's over there eating this one. She ate some of her food, but she didn't eat a lot of it. She still got eggs and hash brown left. Looked like Serp did get into my eggs. Which suck. Did y'all want a bite of the hash browns? My bad. Anyway, you guys, I try my best to be who I am on camera. So that's why when you watch me, you get, I guess, variously different moves. Like when I'm with my sister, I get different vibes there because, you know, we grew up together, so we got things to talk about, and that's just how we are together. Sometimes, not all the time. Some days I have good days, some days I have bad days, and what is that? Some days I don't feel like I'm like super entertaining, so that's just me. Is that Katy Perry? Yeah, we Katy Perry. Yeah. You're hot in your cold, you're yes and you're no, you're in and you're out. Yeah. Did you say you change your mind like a girl changes clothes? Yeah, you PMS. I should know. I think that's my move. I'm like, what's that other song? What's that about? Coldplay. I'm a million different people from one day to the next. Anyway, I'm like that. I don't try to be, but sometimes that's just what I feel like sometimes. I keep having a dream that I was supposed to make a pillow. Now in my head, I should go in there and make a pillow. I don't know why, but I think I will. I'm going there and make a pillow. Then I'm going to go in there. I'm going to make a face mask. Because I get to the point where you want everybody to start wearing face masks. So, what was I saying? Because I got a phone call. I think they want everybody to start wearing face masks now. So, I'm going to make one because they're hard to find. And I got scrap pieces of fabric. And since I do, might as well make one. Maybe I'll make one for everybody in the house. I don't know. So I try to really make sure they don't really pretty much go anywhere. Sometimes I just let them ride in the car. So they're just gonna be sitting in the house all day. Go outside and play whenever the weather's good. And whenever the dog's not around, she's scared of dogs. And she won't go outside to see it. And it just won't stay out of our yard. I don't think it's a stray dog. It just wants to be here. Step on our porch. It's not a mean dog or anything, but it just won't go away. Hey! Stop it. Excuse me. Oh, wait. I'm gonna get you in a minute, Winter Pooh. You look so sleepy. Why are you so sleepy, baby? Are you ignoring me? She's ignoring me. Oh my gosh, she's finna fall asleep right there. No, Winter, don't fall asleep. Hold on, you guys. Well, probably, yeah. I put her to sleep. I'm back. She's crying, but she'll fall asleep because she's literally falling asleep right on the point. But no. No. Don't mess with Winter. Come back. Come back. What? No, come back. Leave Winter alone. She's always trying to find her sleep. But not as bad as it was when she was little. It's cold. It's 66 degrees in the house. It's like 70, probably up to 72 right now. It's still cold in your house. And the weather just going up and down. It's changing. It's cold. Then it's hot. And then it's just right. So I've not planted my corn yet because I'm so afraid that if I plant it too early, it's not gonna grow right. So they said mid-spring. So I'm gonna think about around the middle of this month. I think it'll be a good time. Here. Excuse me. I know y'all hear her, but I moved her to another room, so now she's like right across the hall from us, so I can hear her better and be able, you know, I can just hear it better. I can get to the room quicker. Either way, when I could have went to the room quicker, but I just thought it's better that she'd be right across the hall. And she's trying to get used to the room. She's not used to it like she is the room that she was in. So it's a big change for her. But she's gonna go to sleep and she's gonna be alright. Plus you gotta let her fuss, because if you don't, she thinks she's gonna get away with taking her nap. She's not. She's not gonna get away with it. I know, I'm crazy, y'all. But y'all who got little 1-year-olds and babies, especially those 1-year-olds, because they're in a time where they just like, I want to be free. I want to go and climb up on everything and touch everything. Yeah, and she's, I don't even know how to begin to explain winter to y'all. Well, for certain, she has her own mind. She should do just what she want to do. She knows when she wants you to hold her, when she don't. She want to be free when she want to be free. I'll just say my baby's a free spirit. Yeah. And she has patience. She really does. Unlike my 3-year-old, it's like now. If she knows I have like a snack cake or something and she wants it because she loves to eat, she will sit there literally wait until I open it. As soon as I get it open, yeah, she wants her piece. And she finished her piece before I finish. She's running over and she's gonna get it for me.
Hey YouTubers.
Never fails. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know Sadie.
And don't forget to turn on the bell so whenever her next videos come out.
Yeah, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Bye.